Today, I'm going to take you to an island near Hong Kong called Cheung Chau. This is one of the places I went to. It is a house full of locks. I am enjoying squid with my little brother. He looks happy. And this shop is an old-fashioned shop. It was in Hong Kong 50 years ago. It's an old shop for many adults too. It's a time capsule. I ate some fries with my little brother. He had a lemon tea. I had some fries and a chicken. Let's get started. I am now in a car traveling to the ferry terminal. It's going to be a long trip. We are at the ferry terminal. We're going to take the fast ferry. Okay, we have got our tickets. We're nice and happy. We got drinks. And the boat has departed. Yay, woohoo! Look at the boat go. It's starting to get some speed. Water. We are still inland, but traveling. It's been a long trip, but we have arrived. When we were walking on the streets and exploring, we found this old house covered in locks. Funny, right?
So I also bought some squid, dry squid. Let's test it out. First thing is very tasty. Second thing is very chewy. Takes a long time to dissolve. Yeah, so yummy. Yum! Look how much we have. Here we are at the beach. There's more crabs here. There's a blue one, the middle one, and the last one here. Last one. And maybe we could swim. And on the other side, we have some rocks here. Probably we can go crabbing there. Let's go and catch some crabs, shall we? Now I'm going to swim all the way into the beach crab. A few moments later. Woohoo! We made it! I'm going to do jumping off the beach raft. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we just came back from the raft there, and now we got ourselves some McDonald's. I got some fries, and I got some lemonade. We have some chicken. Spicy. Great! Now I could eat. I found a shop which has lots of snacks. So, here, these baskets are full of candy, some Coca-Cola candy, some round belly button candy, and these kinds of fruit candy. Wow! Some shrimp, dried shrimp,